Finally, this is the video that I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for so long to get my hands on this, the Nintendo Switch Special Super Smash Edition, and I can't wait to play this game. So let's go ahead and unbox this. But before that, let's see what we got here, the stuff that I got. So there's the Nintendo Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Edition Nintendo Switch. I couldn't resist the Super Mario Odyssey, which is a masterpiece. I got this for free. Not really a fan of Animal Crossing. Screen protector for the Nintendo Switch, which is very important. Pro controller. You have to have one of these. And I like this guy over here. A Super Mario wired controller for the Nintendo Switch. Couldn't find Sonic, sadly. And finally, the carry case for the Nintendo Switch. So let's go ahead and start unboxing the Switch. Alright, so it comes off the cover. Alright. I like the packaging. It's very simple to open. Oh, nice! Let's see what we got here. We got the Joy-Con controllers, and then we got this little guy, the 6-inch Nintendo screen tablet / console. Okay, so I'm going to put the screen protector on this thing later on. Then we got the Joy-Cons right here. Here's the plastic wrapping. Cool. I like this thing. It feels comfortable. And it also feels high quality. You got buttons here, LED lights. Let's see the other one. Oh, I like this, man. I like the Super Smash pattern on this thing. This is definitely worth waiting for. I've been waiting for the Switch for a long time. In fact, I didn't get it because I wanted to get the Super Smash limited edition one. Oh, and look at this. You can use the Joy-Cons separately like that, and they function as independent controllers like that. That's pretty cool. Then you got the tray right here. Let's remove that. Oh, what do we got here? That's the game, man. This is the real deal. Okay, let's see here. We got HDMI cable. All right. Power supply. We've got a USB Type-C power supply here. We got more stuff here. The Joy-Con grip. That's pretty nice. So you can slide the Joy-Cons right here. Ah, there you go. This is actually pretty cool. You know, it feels like a fat controller, but you know what? I like it. It's not bad. Let's see, you got more stuff here and some paperwork here. Oh yes, this is the dock. Oh, nice! This is what I've been waiting for. It's not a sticker. It's not just some common skin that you can put. Nope. This is actually engraved on the Switch. I love it. Absolutely worth waiting for. Let's see, you've got an AC adapter, a USB port, and an HDMI output. I like the way you can cover all the wiring with this. And then you can just slide the Switch right inside. But I have to put that screen protector on so it doesn't get scratched. Awesome! Too bad my favorite character is not here, which is Sonic. Second favorite character is also not here, which is Little Mac. Alright, now let's unbox this guy, the controller. Ah, there you go. Got it. There comes the Pro controller. Wow. I actually like this. It's not bad. If you compare this with the original controller, I think I like this one more. Okay, what else do we have here? Yeah, that's the wire for charging it. Finally, the Super Mario wired controller. This is not by Nintendo, but it is an official licensed product. Come on. Thing there. Ugh. There you go. Oh man, one more. Aha, got it. Let's see, we got a USB Type-C cable. Aha, there's the controller. Not bad. It's actually nice, and it doesn't feel cheap or anything. Finally, I want to have a look at this, the travel pack. Huh, interesting. So you can put your Nintendo Switch, wait a minute, how do you put this thing? You put the cartridges here, you can put the wires here, not bad. I like this. And there you go, the unboxing of the special edition Super Smash Ultimate Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching.